Hello again, and welcome to Personal Productivity Using Technology. I am Dr. X, and today it's one of my most favorite lectures. It's about the cloud. The cloud sounds magical, and it's also what we say in computers, a buzzword. It's a word that we use a lot because it's fancy, it's cool, and plainly, it's just cool. So, the cloud is not just storage, as many of you may have been thinking. It's not just being able to store your documents by using iCloud or Dropbox or Google Drive. It's not just storing documents. It's also about using applications from any computer, anywhere you are. So it's like having a PC anywhere. If you have your little space in the cloud that is your PC with all the applications that your PC has got, then you can use your PC with a browser like Internet Explorer from anywhere. So that's the option of the cloud. It's some service, it's a service that computer geeks have made for you so that you can use your files or applications anywhere you go. Applications may include your Facebook apps that you download on Facebook, your browser apps, your games, your productivity apps. All of these apps can be accessed through the cloud if you have a cloud account, like a Hotmail account, Microsoft account, a Gmail account, Google account, or any account that gives you access to this service, the cloud service. So now that you know a little bit more about the cloud, and you will hear me talking about the cloud so many times that you're going to hate me during this class. Hopefully you're not going to hate me. Let's look at the first contact with the cloud, which is the Microsoft Windows Live Skydrive. So if you go to Blackboard web links, or if you just type skydrive.com, you get to this nice first page where you can use your Microsoft account in order to access your spot in the cloud, which is going to be mainly storage, but it's also going to entail some of the beautiful Microsoft Office apps. Now, in case you do not have a Microsoft account can be a Hotmail account, or you can do what I did a few months ago, create an account by filling in your data and using your JU email, your jacksonville.edu email. So as you can see, I used my jacksonville.edu email. I created a password. And I'm signing in to my spot in the cloud. So my spot in the cloud can be accessed from any computer as long as I have a driver and I log on to my Skydrive Live account. And as you can see, I have documents. I have documents that I have saved in the cloud. Oh, I even have a document about the cloud. Interesting. So I can navigate through my documents and even use my documents from a browser without even having Microsoft Office installed in my computer. So when I open the document, I am on presentation mode, but I can always use the web app PowerPoint, assuming that, let's say, I don't have PowerPoint, and edit my app, edit my presentations. And you may notice that this looks quite familiar because it is exactly the same interface, exactly the same tabs, excuse me, with your Office PowerPoint application. How cool is that? I think this is pretty cool. So here we go. Here's my PowerPoint presentation. Home insert design, animations, transitions, animations. Oh, they messed up the order. But anyway, you get the picture. So now I can exit from this PowerPoint presentation and get back to my very nice Windows Live Skydrive account. I can look at my recent documents. I can organize, look at different features. So feel free to explore when you create your Skydrive account, and you will need to create a Skydrive account during the course of this class, because you will be able to share your documents with me when I ask you to, and this way you will be able to show me your work instead of uploading it on Blackboard. You can add my email, and there you go. You've shared this with me, and it's that easy. So other things you can do is treat this as MyJU, like MyJU when you access MyJU through your computer at home. Use files, drag and drop files in order to add these to your Skydrive, and it is as easy as that. Uploading, done. And as you can see, I just uploaded a document. So Skydrive is very, very cool. You can do many different things. You can edit photos, and it's your little part in the cloud. Now, how does it fit with the Microsoft Office tools? Well, let's go and look at the Word document. They're very nice, and we can just close PowerPoint. Let's look at the Word document that we started editing for Chapter 1 of our Book Exploring series. So here we go. Here's our document, and we want to go ahead and save this, or actually use the Save As feature to save it somewhere else, such as my Skydrive. So I can save this in my Skydrive, and I can just save it in my documents. How am I able to access Skydrive through the simple Word application? Well, going back to Backstage, you can see that there's a menu that adds Windows Live Skydrive account. So you can switch to another account, or just use the another account. Let's say add an account. We can add you, but I just want to show you the interface. So the email address is this, and also you can have Skydrive the very first time. You can set up Skydrive the very first time you use Microsoft Word 2013, and same stands for Excel and PowerPoint. So here you go. You've got your account, and very nicely you can save documents either on the local computer or your Skydrive. Skydrive is the default location for saving in Microsoft Office 2013. So if you want to save locally on your computer, on the hard disk of your computer, you have to choose this option and browse for the proper folder and save in this folder. So that's it for today's lecture. A really nice Skydrive introduction. We will be using the cloud, and we will be talking about the cloud in following lectures, but this is your first introduction, so I hope you have enjoyed it.